The two least volatile stocks are also the most expensive ones. Finding out volatility is going to be a lot more complex. An easier way would be to figure out the two costliest stocks and then see whether they have also been the most stable ones. So this one, definitely all the fluctuations are in single digits, and in fact only one's in single digit and all others are in fractions smaller than 1. This also is all in single digits, and simply by eyeballing I can figure out that all the fluctuations everywhere else have been much steeper. So reaching a true here would not be very complex. Let's look at statement 2 here. The cheapest at the end of 6 months is the one to have undergone maximum growth. You can sort it and reach 5.57, or you can simply eyeball and figure out that 5.57 is the cheapest of the lot. And now whether it has undergone maximum growth. So see, -9% plus 8 kind of cancel each other. -8%, and these two also kind of just compensate each other. And these two values, roughly 20-25% growth is what we are seeing, while of course there are some stocks which have shown much stronger growth. So see, these two values positives, these two can be cancelled, but this is a good 60% growth or so. Similarly, look at this one. This is also a much steeper growth. So definitely the cheapest stock is not the one to have undergone the maximum growth. So reaching a false as the answer here should also not be very complex. Look at the last one. The cheapest stock at the beginning is the one to have undergone maximum growth. Cheapest at the beginning. So look at the cheaper ones here. This we just saw did not grow much. This is $10, and this seems to have undergone some decent amount of growth. These two can be cancelled. This is roughly 12%, 15 on that, roughly 30%, 30% in 20, another 16 on that is roughly 50%. So this is almost doubled up. And the second cheapest is this one after 5.57, and this has undergone some very serious growth. So 30, these are all double digit growths, and 20% on that would be roughly 60%. Another 40% on that would mean more than double the figure. Another 50% on that would mean 200% growth. So this has grown 3-4 times, I would say. So this has more than tripled up, I would say, and still it is under $7. That means initially it must have been for less than $2, and none of the other cheaper stocks seem to be anywhere close. So this one also, if you see, two negative values can kind of take care of two positive values, and 20 and 40 is roughly 60 to 70% growth overall. So yeah, definitely this is the one which must have been for less than $2 initially, and this is the one that has definitely undergone maximum growth. So this can also be called true. The right combination of answers here is true, false, true.